Shannon's Big Girl 2018 time. Today, I got a rain advisory, even though it just says like rain starting. But I'm just going to call it rain advisory. No, a rain warning. Yeah, rain warning. Yeah. It says light rain starting. Yeah, I think it started now. Likely stopping soon. And before I wrap it up, let me show you what it's like. So it's 90% going to be raining, and it's not going to be light rain, that's for sure. Jeez. Oh, well, at least it's going to be going down to 30, and 60, and 50, and 40, and 50, 60, 50, 40, 30, 40, 30, 30. Oh, well, at least it's going to stop raining on Tuesday, because it will keep raining, and it's going to also be raining on Thursday and Friday. It says 50% of rain. Ooh. Oh well, that's about